Blob means binary data, zeros and ones, images, audio files, video files. All these things comes under what? Binary large object. Come on. Other side, what we got? Character large object. Nothing but glob. Text file, rich text file. They are come under what, guys? Glob. Nothing but character large object. Nothing much. They fall under what? Character large object, guys. That's good. Okay. So now let's see how to deal with these guys. Character large object. Here is my 2024-09. Okay, let me open the document first. Here is a paint file, open, class content, spring, class content spring. Tell me here. Here is my, what is that? 1102 na something else. What is that? (515) root data JPA. Here is my need of this paging and sorting repository. Like this, multiple things we learn. JPA repository, calling PL SQL procedure. 14. Working with large objects. Okay, large objects means files. How many types of files are there? Two. Blob and glob. Audio, video file, image file, PDF, all these are what? Blob. Text file, rich text file, CSV file, all this comes under what? Glob. Almost all major database softwares are supporting what? Large objects by giving different data types. What data types, guys? Different data types. Oracle gives blob glob data types, guys. Come on. Super. MySQL gives blob, tiny text, medium text, large text, tiny blob, medium blob data type. Based on different sizes, your variety is there. Tiny means small, medium means middle place. Okay, blob means bigger one, right? Okay, even text also same thing. Variety is more. Here anything, any size, blob and glob only. Here in Oracle. In MySQL, according to the size, we can decide the things. Only in standalone application, large objects will be saved directly in DB table columns. Standalone matrimony application, standalone job portal application. In that situation, in the DB table column, large objects will be saved directly, guys. Okay. In web application and distributed application, the large objects will be saved in server mission file system and their address paths will be written to whom? DB table columns as string values. DB table columns as what? String values. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. To avoid performance issues with what? Database or if you store large objects, come on. If you store large objects directly in database, each large object, blob or glob can allocate 4 GB memory. If you have multiple 4 GB columns, performance of database will be affected or not, guys. That's why in web application, like YouTube kind of thing or social media application, all files, large objects will be saved in what? Server mission file system. Only their address paths. What is that? Only their address paths will be saved in what? DB table columns as string values. Only their address paths will be saved in what? DB table columns as string values. Are you getting my point there or not there? Only address paths will be saved in DB table columns as what? String values. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Matrimony web application, job portal application, social networking application, and what? Etc. Okay. Look at the diagram representation, guys. The diagrammatic represent in standalone applications. Look at this. In standalone applications, yeah. This is my photo. This is my resume. They are directly stored in blob and club columns or not, guys? They directly stored in what? Blob and club column. Yeah, this is what? Files are directly saved in what? DB table columns. Files are directly saved in what? DB table columns. Are you getting my point? Yes, my dear. In web application and distributed application, files have saved. Files are saved. Come on. In server mission file system. What mission? In files are saved in server mission file system. Come on. And in DB table column, only their address paths are saved as string values. Here we are saving only address paths of what? Of the files as a string value. Simply as what? String value. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Come on. Everyone getting my point there or not? I want reply here, guys. Come on. Matrimony web application, job portal application, social networking application. All these are what? Websites based was. Shadi.com, Naukari.com, Facebook.com, all these things. So in larger scale application like web application and distributed application, the files will be uploaded and saved in server mission file system. Their address paths will be saved in DB table columns as string values. In standalone application, large objects will be saved directly in what? DB table column. Some extent okay, but in big application, it's not recommended. Some people won't even save in server mission file system. They will store in what? Separate softwares. From there, they get the tokens. And those tokens they save in the DB table. That is one more approach they are using. See, in some web application or distributed application, the LOBs will be saved in what? Separate CDN server, content delivery network server. What server? DMS, document management system. What is there? Okay, NAS, network attached storage. What is that? Network attached storage. Next, S3 bucket server and etc. And we get token IDs from what? Those server representing what? Token IDs from those server representing what? LOBs, large objects insertion. These token IDs will be inserted to DB table columns as what? String values. These token IDs will be inserted to DB table columns as what? String values. Matrimony web application, job portal application, social networking application, and etc. Matrimony means website. Job portal application means Naukari.com. Social networking application means what? Facebook kind of thing. So option number one, store them in data server mission file system and add what? Address paths as what? String values. Other one, there are special software to maintain the files. Keep them there, get the tokens and save those tokens in what? DB table columns. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. The entity class should have byte array and character array type properties representing what? Blob club type columns of DB table. Blob club type columns of DB table. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, guys. I want reply from you people. The entity class should have byte array and character array type properties representing what, guys? Blob club type columns of DB table. Are you getting my point there? Super, guys. That means if it is a Java bean, we have representing byte array, representing blob column A value I have to take byte array. Representing club column I have to take character array. In ORM framework like Hibernate, we take entity class as what? Serializable for two reasons. It's recommended, guys. Entity class implementing serializable interface is a recommendation, not the rule to follow. Okay. Nowadays, we are using entity class itself as a model class. Sometimes you have to pass its data over the network or not, guys. From one project to another project, you have to pass over the network or not. Okay, which class objects can be sent over the network? Serialized. That's the reason number one, right? Reason number two. In Hibernate Spring Data JPA, caching is there. If RAM memory is not sufficient for cache, guys, we can also use hard disk memory as the cache. If you want to put Java objects in hard disk memory, hard disk file, they need to be serialized objects or not, guys. But keeping these two reasons in mind, it is recommended to make what? Entity class implementing serializable. It is not a rule, it is a recommendation to follow. It is not a rule, it is a recommendation to follow. Are you getting my point there, guys? Serialization is the process of converting object data into bits and bytes so that they can be written to file or over the network. They can be written to file or over the network. Serialization is the process of converting object data into bits and bytes so that they can be written to file or over the network. All the files and folders of computer together is called as what? File system. Okay, case number one. Entity class nowadays we are using as a model class. Sometimes this model class object data we have to pass from one project to another project over the network, right? In that situation, definitely it is very useful or not, guys. Number two, Hibernate Spring Data JPA support caching. Maximum time it will use RAM memory as the cache. Sometimes if that is not sufficient, it ready to use hard disk memory as the cache. In that situation, we better to think about going for serialization or not, guys. In that situation, better to think about going for serialization or not, guys. Come on. For what? Why, sir? Karthikeyan, for which reason you asked why? Okay. In entity class, byte and character arrays, huh? Yeah. Suppose a string column value want to hold. You are taking string property. Okay. Float column value want to hold. You are taking float property. Similarly, if you want to hold blob column data, you have to hold what? Byte array. You have to hold in what? Byte array. You don't listen Karthikeyan properly. Here clearly there na. In entity class, @blob on byte array property makes Spring Data JPA or ORM framework giving blob column. Okay, blob data type column in DB table. So that means blob column should be mapped with what? Byte array having @LOB annotation, right? Similarly, @LOB on character array property should be used to represent club column or not, guys? Should be used to represent club column or not, guys? Come on. The Boolean property data, what is there? True or false of entity class object will be stored in DB table as a number column value 0 or 1. What is there? Will be stored in DB table as a number column value 0 or 1. 0 for false, 1 for true. Array, there's no Boolean data type in databases. You have to take numeric column only. 0 means false, 1 means what? True. In Oracle MySQL database software, there are no Boolean data types support directly. So numeric column, so we need to take what? Numeric column holding 0 or 1. Holding 0 or 1. Are you getting my point there or not there? So use numeric column holding 0 or 1. 0 for false, 1 for true. 0 for false, 1 for true, guys. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not? Okay. This is what we need to focus, guys. This is what we need to focus. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Yes, guys. Close all editors. What editors? Close all editors. What is our workspace? Switch workspace 515. Switch workspace 515. Close all editors. File new. Where is this? File new. Where is this? Spring Starter project. What project? Spring Starter project. That's great. Boot data JPA. What is the number? 9? 9 8? 8 is there. Sure. Yeah. You have to take 8. But a mock drill happened or not happened, guys? Mock drill. In Hyderabad, it is there. It is there in second phase. Mock drill, guys. War mock drill. Not happened. All our announcements are done. Not. Okay. Yeah. Attack was happened. Attack happened. War started. They attacked us. We attacked. Oh, when? In the morning. Okay, which is it? Like POK or whole Pakistan? POK. Surgical strike kind of thing. Achha, both attacks are done. 9 terrorists arrested. Destroyed. Their places are destroyed. Okay. 9 centers were blasted, right? Okay. 4 places in Park and 5 places in POK. Right. I hope with this things ends because war is not good for anyone, right? Okay. No, no reply from Pakistan.
Yes, sir. They are bombing his own city and several Indians are
Which city, border cities they are bombing? Huh?
they are all in Pakistan.
Huh?
Pakistan bombing in Pakistan, then blame to India that our innocent people.
Okay, okay. And that's a rumor only, right? No, they attack at IOC and 11 civilians were. Okay, they are blaming Indian were the aggressors. Okay, fine. We'll wait for final result, not the process. Firing near borders, our 3 Indians were died. Okay, boot JPA Pros 8. Jodha. I'm not understanding. Like they also can come into our airspace and they can do attack, na? Why they are thinking twice, thrice? Maybe Operation. Okay, this is Operation Sindhura. Okay. Okay, let it be. Yeah, here what is this? Working with LOVs, LOPs, large objects. Say next. Lamba KPI, Spring Data JPA, Oracle driver. In future, I may intend with what MySQL. Say next, say finish. Operation Sindoor. Right click, copy this application.properties as it is. Here is my application.properties. Okay, first we'll take with what? MySQL only. Yeah, everything ready for MySQL. Let's take the packages, guys. Right click, new package. com.nt.entity. Next, new package. com.nt. What is that? com.nt.service. Next, new package. com.nt.runners. com.nt.runners. But we need to prepare one repository also, my dear. Package. What is there? com.nt.repository. com.nt.repository. Okay, here is my entity class, my dear. New class. New class. What's the class we have to take here? What's the class we have to take? Array. Something where photograph and resume is required. Job seeker. For job seeker, photograph and what? Resume both are required or not, guys? Job seeker, right? Why product? Product will have text document. Yeah, you can take product also. Yeah. Private integer JS ID. What is next? Private string JS name. Private string, what is this? JS address. Private byte array. What array? Private byte array. What is that? Private byte array photo. Private char array. Byte array photo. Byte array by not photo. Resume or biodata, whatever it is. Okay. Private Boolean single. Or marital status, married or what? This private Boolean married. Because I want to store one Boolean value also, nothing else. Okay, na? Right. Fine. How to make this class as entity class, guys? At the rate entity. How to map with the table, guys? At the rate table. Okay, what is there? JPA underscore LOB underscore job seeker. JPA underscore LOB underscore jobs. That's great. At the rate data to get the this. Okay. We'll place at the rate all arg constructor. At the rate no arg constructor. At the rate required arg constructor. At the rate OD. Next one. At the rate generated value. At the rate generated value. Sequence generator. Name is equal to gen1. Name is equal to gen1. Tell me. Sequence name. What is there, guys? Sequence name. JSID underscore sequence. Allocation size is 1. What is there, guys? Allocation size is 1. Name is there. Initial value. Acha hai. Initial value, I will take some 100. Initial value, I'll take some 100. Got it? Yes. Other side, what we got, guys? Generated value. What is the value? Generated value. Generator is equal to Gen 1. Strategy is equal to what? Sequence. Generator is equal to Gen 1. Strategy is equal to this. Fine, guys. Got it? Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Yeah. Tell me here, what is this? At the rate ID, at the rate sequence generator, generated value. Yeah, at the rate column. What is there? At the rate column. At the rate column. Length is equal to 30. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. Copy this. Length is equal to 30. Boolean not required, guys. But here you have to write at the rate LOB na boss. Here also we can place at the rate LOB or not, guys. At the rate LOB. Okay, that's great. At the rate required not here. At the rate non-null we have to place. At the rate non-null. Copy these guys, say paste. Copy these guys, say paste. At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. It's happened or not happened, guys? Yeah, definitely taken place. Definitely it is what taken place. Yeah. JPA underscore LOB underscore job seeker. Data all arg constructor, no arg constructor, right? Required arg constructor. Everyone getting my point there? Okay. Happening or not happening, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. Okay, guys. Here is my story or not there, guys? Job seeker dot Java. What dot Java? Job seeker dot Java. Okay, here is my what? Repository. What is there? A repository. Here is my interface. What is the interface, guys? What is there? Job seeker repository. Job seeker repository. That's good. Okay. Job seeker repository. Tell me here, what is there? Implements. Extends. What is there? Extends. Crude repository. Extends crude. You can take JPA. JPA is the best na boss. We can work with all methods, right? Yeah, what is there? Job seeker. What is the ID value? Int is. What's the ID value? Int is. Control plus shift plus O. Control plus shift plus O, guys. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Job seeker repository. This is my what? Job seeker. Okay. Job seeker repository. This is my this one. Fine. This is my job seeker entity class, guys. This is purely my what? Entity class. Are you getting my point there? Super, guys. Job seeker repository is done. This is my entity class. Here is my service. Now, first we have to think about saving the things now, boss. Regular boring one, guys. Register job seeker save method we call. But only the thing is how to get a byte array from image file, how to get character array from text file. So that content we have to assign over there or not there, guys. Getting that is important and we have to assign that content over here. These are the two important things. And actually, here column length is not required, guys, but I will take length some bigger size. Or if you take bigger size, somehow it becomes ready to work with what? What is there? Large blob, large blob. Otherwise, it will take what? Otherwise, it will take what? Otherwise, again, Chikki Chakka came into picture, guys. Chikki Chakka, please, Babu. Focus on India, Pakistan. Don't focus on me. Focus on India, Pakistan war. Okay. Lock meeting. All the admin will see. Okay. Yeah. 200 guys. Tell me here what is there? At the rate column length is equal to 200. So that there's a chance of getting what? Large objects. Okay. Yeah. Here is the story, guys. Gen 1 strategy sequence, JS ID, JS name, married, resume, all this stuff is happened or not happened now, guys? Okay. I job seeker repository. That's good. Okay. Then what is the story, guys? Yeah, service interface. New interface. Tell me. I job seeker repository. Sorry. I job seeker management service. What service, guys? Management service. Here we declare a method. What is that? Public string. Register job seeker. Yeah, what is there? Job seeker JS. Job seeker JS. New class. Job seeker IMPL. Job seeker management. Job seeker management. Service IMPL. And what is there? I job seeker management service. Say done. It happened or not there? Add unimplemented methods. What methods? Add unimplemented methods. At the rate service. Inject the repo. Private. Tell me. I job seeker. Job seeker repository. What is that? Job repo. What repo? Job repo. At the rate auto wide. At the rate auto wide. That's great. Followed by this, what is there, guys? String message is equal to, what is equal to? Job repo dot find by, what is there? Not find by, save. Job repo dot save. Okay, job repo dot save. Okay, first let me get this. into ID value. What value? Into ID value is equal. Save dot JSID. Dot what? JSID. What is this? Job seeker is saved with the ID value. What value? Okay, in the ID value. With the ID value plus ID value. With the ID value plus ID. Yes, my dear. Yes. Here is my interface. Here is my what? Implementation class. One is interface. Other one is what? Implementation class. Are you getting my point there or not there? Okay. Fine. So now, earlier we prepared entity object easily, but now we have to prepare entity object by converting image file content into byte array. Then you have to set that content to what? Blob object. Same thing we have to do other side also, my dear. Yes. So have a look on this. Runners, new, where is this? Class. Runners, new class. Tell me here, what is this? Here is my what? Runner. What is the runner we have to go for, guys? Yeah, I think lobs, lobs test runner. Lobs test runner. Interfaces. What is this? Command line runner. Save OK. Save finish. Save OK. Save finish. Add unimplemented methods. Add what, guys? Unimplemented methods. Are you getting my point there? Okay. At the rate, what is there? At the rate, how much? At the rate component. At the rate component. Next, private. I is job seeker management service. JS service. What service, guys? JS service. At the rate auto. Simply what is there, guys? At the rate auto. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Okay. Tell me. Here, spy block. Here is my what? Catch exception E. E dot print stack trace. What dot print stack trace, guys? E dot print stack trace. Are you getting my point there or not there? Super, guys. Tell me here, what is this? String message is equal to. What is equal to? Otherwise, first prepare. Use service. What is there? Job seeker. What is there? Job seeker JS is equal to new job seeker of. Job seeker JS is equal to new job seeker of. That's great now, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yes, guys. JS dot set JS name. What is there? Raja. JS dot set JS address Hyderabad. JS dot set married. Set married. Boolean value na boss. Okay, false or true, whatever it is. JS dot, tell me. Set photo, set resume. These are the two things that are there now. Okay. Now, every time we are doing like this, na, this time, why don't you read this data from end user, guys? It's better to read this data from end user so that we can ask photo file and we locate the file, we read the content of the file, convert into byte array, and we can set it to what? This process now, boss? Okay. Now what I do is scanner SC is equal to read inputs from end user. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system dot in, guys. Are you getting my point there or not there? Super, guys. Tell me. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Okay, here is my, what is the story, guys? Come on. Scanner SC JF Seeker JS. This out. Where is this? Enter job seeker name. Enter job seeker name. String name is equal to sc dot next. System dot out dot println. Enter job seeker's address. ADDRS is equal to sc dot next. Next sys out. Enter, what is there? I think only these two things, na? ID anyhow will be generated dynamically. Okay, job seeker, photo file path. We are getting path only here, right? String. Photo path is equal to, what is there, guys? Sc dot next. Okay, string photo path is equal to sc dot next, guys. Okay. Name, address, photo path. Next, enter job seeker. Tell me, resume file path. What path, guys? Resume file path. Here, what is there? Resume path is equal to sc dot next. Resume path is equal to sc dot next. Okay, file path we are getting. Okay, now we need to locate the file and we need to read the content of the photo file, convert into byte array. Again, similarly, locate the text file, read the content into what? Character array. This is our requirement or not, guys? Super, guys. Convert photo file content into byte array. Okay. File input stream. What, guys? File input stream. FIS is equal to new file input stream of new file input stream of, what is there, guys? Photo path. New file input stream of what? Photo path. That's great, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay. New file input stream of photo path. Followed by that, what is there, guys? Followed by that, what is there? We have to read the content, right? Okay. Tell me. Byte array photo data is equal to byte array photo data is equal to read all bytes. Direct method is there now, boss. I need not to worry about direct method is there giving all the bytes. Read all the bytes. Okay, next. Convert, what is this? Resume file content into character array. For normal non-text data, byte arrays. For text data, character array. Character streams we use. File reader, file writer, this kind of thing. Okay, guys. File reader is equal to new file reader of what is there? Resume path. New file reader of what, guys? Resume path. New file reader of resume path. Tell me next one. Character array. What data, guys? Resume data is equal to reader dot read. There are not there. Is there any method returning character array? Not there. Then what should I do? So there is a small process to do this. File is equal to new file of resume path. I create the file class object using which I can get the attributes of the file. Right, guys? Okay. Tell me. Character array resume data is equal to what is equal to? Character array resume data is equal to tell me. New what is there? New char array of file dot length. New char array of file dot length. Okay, file dot length gives me size of the file or not, guys? Okay, file dot length actually it is expecting integer value. Okay, we typecast it to integer. Suppose the file is having 10 MB, 10 into 1 to 1024. It is what? 10,240. It is simply what, guys? It is simply what, my dear? 10,240. Agree with me, my dear? Come on, everyone. It is simply what, guys? 10,240. Are you getting my point? Yeah. So we are ready with array with 10,240 bytes or not, guys? Okay. We are ready with array with having what? 10,240 bytes. What do you say, guys? Okay. Followed by that, what is there? Okay, now reader dot read resume data. Reader dot read reader is already pointing to file now. Okay, I am asking to read entire data into this array. Reader dot read. It is not returning. Whatever array you pass to that array, it will read the content. So ultimately, what happened, guys? Resume content has coming to resume data array, and file data content come to what? Photo data array. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Convert photo file content into byte array. Convert what? Resume file content into character array. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. Prepare entity class object. Prepare entity class object. Okay. Achha, I think I am not asking job seeker name address. Okay. Job seeker marital status also you have to ask now, boss. Enter job seeker marital state. Okay. Is job enter is job seeker married? Married. What is this, guys? Is job seeker married? What is there? Fall. Yeah, tell me, guys. String. Okay, MS flag. What flag, guys? MS flag. Where is this? SC dot SC dot next boolean. SC dot next boolean. Boolean MS flag is equal to SC dot next boolean. Okay, it's going to read the boolean content. Okay, prepare entity class object data. Prepare entity class object data. What data, guys? Entity class object data. Yeah, tell me here what is this? Job seeker JS is equal to new job seeker of JS dot what is there? JS dot jet JS name JS dot jet set JS address JS dot set married MS flag JS dot come on set photo data set photo data come on JS dot set resume data set resume what is there guys resume data comfortable my dear come on everyone yes use service okay use service guys use service string message is equal to what is equal to string message is equal to tell me JS JS service dot register job seeker JS. Tell me next one. Without message. Without message. Are you getting my point? Yes. Yeah, catch. Use service. We are displaying the content. End of the run method. End of the class. End of the run method. End of the class. Are you getting my point there? Yes. That's great. Okay, guys. Go to JPA Pros 08 LOB's application. What application, guys? LOB's application. Okay, that's great. Fine. Okay. Entity, job seeker, repository. Here is my runners, guys. Here is my what service. Okay. Say next. Say next. Say finish. Say yes. Say that. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Come on, guys. Are you with me? Got the clarity over here or not? Yes. File close all editors. Close all editors. Okay. Boot data, boot JPA Pros 08 LOB's application. Here is my what? Entity. Here is this. This is my LOB's application or not, guys? Yeah, run as Java application. Tables, everything is created, my dear. Fine, that's good. Enter job seeker name. Okay, Johnny. Job seeker address, Hyderabad. Is job seeker married? Okay, false. Photo path. We have a lot of photographs already downloaded, guys. Let's take some of those photographs, right? Let's take what? Some of those photographs. E drive, where is this? Class content. Come on. E drive, where is this? Class content. Images folder. Shahrukh Khan, Akshay Kumar, so many photographs are there now, boss. Let's insert one photograph, guys. I think Ranveer.jf is there, right? Show more, properties, security tab. Here is the story. Security tab, here is the story. Say paste. Yeah. Two slashes. Two slashes. Two slashes. Two slashes. Total what, guys? Two slashes. Are you getting my point? Yes. Class content slash slash images slash slash run page. Okay, done. Okay, now resume path, guys. Resume document. I think in the same folder I also maintained some resumes, guys. I also maintain some resumes. Right click, show more, properties. Where is this? Security. Here is the story. Say paste. Two slashes, two slashes, resume.txt. Enter key. Oh, problem has come. Data too long for column photo at row one. Too long, that means size is bigger one. Size is bigger one. I think maybe it has taken tiny log kind of thing. Okay, but it has to take bigger one, right? Okay, first let me check MySQL workbench. Okay, MySQL what, guys? Workbench. Here is the story. In this place, where is this? 515 dB. Where is that? 515 dB tables. Yeah, JPA underscore lab underscore jobs. Select rows, guys. Click on this. By default, what is coming? Tiny blob has come. Tiny text has come. Okay, tiny blob, tiny text not going to work out, guys. But I want to see it's giving what? Bigger one. I want to see it's giving what? Bigger one. So if we give 100, 200, not going to work out. 2000, 2000. Some bigger size I am going to take. Come to this, guys. Drop table. Drop now. Drop table. Drop table. Drop. That is my job seeker. That's really great or not, guys? Good data JPA. Job seeker. Drop now. Getting my point there, guys. Come on, everyone. Job seeker, this one. Okay, that's great. Put data JPA as what? Application. This is job seeker. This is my what? Repository. This is my runner, guys. This is my com.nt.service. This is my com.nt.service. Yeah, let's see. Run as Java application. Run as what? Java application. Job seeker name Rakesh. Address Hyderabad. True or false? Job seeker photo path, guys. What is there? Job seeker photo path. Job seeker photo path. Are you getting my point there, guys? Say paste. Slash, guys, slash this. Ranveer.jsf. Job seeker resume path, guys. Job seeker resume path. Yeah, definitely we have to think about going for resume path or not, guys. Super. Tell me, eat dry, class content. Yeah, where is this? Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Images. Resume.txt. What.txt, guys? Resume.txt. Right click, paste it. Slash, guys, slash, slash, enter key. Oh, still problem? No, reverse slash is single is enough, guys. The file name directory or not syntax is incorrect. Oh, how come? File not found exception. How come? Two slashes images ranbir.jsf. Class content images ranbir.jsf. Any spell mistake, guys? 1 minute. I'll take the addresses in a file, guys. JFIF. That's the original extension only, na? That's the reason I have not typed Babu. Everything I copy pasted on. This is done, guys. Right click, run as Java. Right click, run as Java application. Name Suresh. Job seeker address Hyderabad. Married false. Photo path. Already we are keeping this one here, guys. Copy. What is there? Copy. Say paste. Here is the reverse or not. Slash, slash, slash. Yeah. Tell me next one. Here is the story. Copy. Yeah. There what? Paste. Yeah. Class content images resume.txt. Inserted or not there? Maybe earlier some extra spaces, all this stuff. Okay, is inserted with what? 101. Look at this. Go to this. Where is this? JPA doctor. LOBs. LOBs. Here is LOBs. Here is L. I think refresh you have to say na? Yes. Say refresh. Okay. Right click, select rows. See, inserted or not, guys? You write open in value editor. Okay. It is showing in image as a text binary, nothing. Image is coming over there or not there. This is my text content, my dear. Open values in editors, guys. Text. It's coming over there or not there, guys. You're able to insert large objects and other one. Like this, any number of things you can insert, guys. Easy now. Only converting file content into byte array is bit headache. Anyhow, we sorted out that one or not there. So let's insert one more thing, guys. Right click, tell me, run as, what is that? Java application. Here is my what, guys? Mahesh. Address Hyderabad. Job seeker is married or not? True. Job seeker photo file path. Job seeker what? Photo file path. Come on. Okay. Job seeker photo file path. Okay, this time we'll take some other image, guys. Shahrukh ka? Okay. Say paste. Slash. 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 Next. Yeah, tell me here, what is this? Resume. Resume.txt. Okay, this time we'll take other file, guys. Biodata.txt. Something is there now. Biodata is there, my dear. Come on, everyone. Say paste. Biodata.txt. Inserted with 102 value or not there? Say refresh. Say what? Refresh. Are you getting my point there or not there? Okay. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Go to MySQL workbench. Say what? Refresh. Record is inserted here also, my dear. Yeah, here this time flag value is coming as what? 0 and 1. Okay, Boolean value is coming as 0 or 1 or not there. Like this, we have gone for insertion. Yeah, what is there? This time you observe, since I changed a bigger size. Okay, you click on it. This time proper blob and proper club is taken. Proper text is taken, my dear. Why? Because I have mentioned 2000 as the length. Okay, 2000 means 2000 bytes it is taking internally. Accordingly, what? The data types are changed or not, guys? Tiny means small. Tiny means what? Small. If you want bigger one, you can go for bigger one, right, guys? Okay. So this is about insertion part. Now we have to worry about retrieving part also, now, my dear. Okay. If you are interested to worry about retrieving, let's concentrate on how to retrieve the things, guys. Come on. Let's focus on what? How to retrieve the things. Yeah. So how to go for retrieving activity, guys? Yeah, we go for find by ID. From the object, we will get normal information, but photo column value will come as byte array to entity object. Biodata will come as what? Character array. So character array content and byte array content, we have to write by creating a new file or not, guys? Okay, let's do that. Here is my what? Job seeker management service, guys. Right now there is no GUI to display image. So what I do? Whenever I receive the byte array representing photo column value, I will try to create a new file and I will try to the new file or not, guys. I'll try to create the new file and write to the new file or not, guys. Super, guys. Tell me here. Public string. What is there? Public string. Tell me. Public string. So, job seeker by. What is there? Job seeker by ID. What is there? Int ID. So job seeker by ID, int ID. That's good. Job seeker management IMPL. That's great. Here is my, what is there? Job report dot. What is there? Find by ID, ID. Find by ID, ID. Or else throw. What is there, guys? Or else throw. Tell me. New illegal argument exception. What is there? Invalid ID. New illegal argument exception. Illegal argument. What's the problem? Huh? Written type taken string. Very bad. Return type should be what, guys? Job seeker only, na? Should be job seeker. Here also return type should be what, guys? Jobs. Yeah, this is my invalid ID. Yeah, this is my job seeker IMPL. That's good. Go to the runner, guys. I don't take this runner, I comment boss. I'll say file save as. File save as. LOB's test runner 1.java. LOB's test runner 1.java. Implements what, guys? Command line runner. What runner? Implements what? Command line. Yeah, at the rate component, at the rate auto wide, service. Enter job seeker ID. Enter job seeker ID. That's great. Enter job seeker ID. Enter job seeker ID. Okay, into JS ID. What is that? SC dot. What dot, guys? SC dot next int. SC dot next int. Are you getting my point? Yes. Invoke the service method. What method? Service. Invoke the service method. Job seeker JS is equal to JS service dot show job seeker by ID. That's great, right? Are you getting my point there, guys? Byte. Okay, we can print remaining things normally, guys. Sys out. Yeah, this is a day code every time. Yeah, tell me here what is there. Sys out. What is there, guys? Sys out. JS dot get ID. Next, JS dot get JS name. JS dot get JS address. Get JS name is not there. N small letter. JS address. I think JS dot get married. Get married. Is married. Boolean property you will get is married. Boolean property get method will come as what is. Okay, that is done. Okay. We printed this information here or not there? We definitely printed this information. That's nice, guys. Yeah. We definitely printed this information. What do you say, guys? Come on, everyone. Getting my point here or not? Okay, that's great. JS dot show job seeker by ID. This is my SOP statement, guys. Here. Byte array photo data is equal to. Okay. JS dot get photo. Character array resume data is equal to. JS dot get resume. Byte array photo data is equal to JS dot get photo. Character array resume data is equal to JS dot what? Get resume. We got array now, boss. Okay, now. Write. Okay, byte array to data to new file. Yeah, tell me what is this? File output stream. What, guys? File output stream. FOS is equal to new file output stream of, tell me, new underscore photo dot GIF. Retrieved file content I want to keep in this place, guys. FOS dot write byte array photo data. FOS dot flush. FOS dot close. If you use a try with stream, now this can be done nicely, automatic. Next, write char array data to new file. What is there? File writer is equal to new file writer of new underscore resume dot txt. New underscore resume dot txt. Are you getting my point? Yes, my dear. Writer dot what is there? Writer dot write. Where is this? Writer dot write character array resume data. That's it. Nothing else required. Character array. Writer dot close, guys. Writer dot flush. Writer dot flush. Okay. So we are writing the content to whom, guys? Empty files are what? Okay. Job seeker ID I have given. Component is in running. Only one runner is in active mode. That's good. This, right click, run as Java. It will ask job seeker ID from us. Yeah. Job seeker name. Oh, how come? Still previous runner is running, guys. How come previous runner is running? Oh, because it is not commented. Let me comment, let me stop the application. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. Enter job seeker ID 101. Hyderabad Suresh, Hyderabad false. Okay. Maybe I have not written message. Okay. Oh, content is retrieved to files na boss? Yes. You say refresh. I have not given location means they will be there in project only na boss. Say refresh. Okay. Tell me. New resume.txt. Name Raja, address Hyderabad, this. New photo.gif, right? New photo.gif. Open in internal browser. Open in what? Internal browser. Are you getting my point there or not there? Okay. Open in internal browser not happening. Is there any other browser, guys? Web browser. Hey, what's happening, guys? How to open this image then? Web page editor. Mhm. Is there any browser, guys? External programs. In external programs, IE Explorer. Explorer. It actually coming, guys, as a HTML document, HTML application. Okay, I got a thought, guys. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Go to this location. When things are not going in our way, go to file system, right click, open with paint. Yes, photograph has come now, my dear. We're able to insert and we're able to retrieve nicely now. So this is how we can work with large objects, guys. Easy or difficult, boss? Okay, like this we can go for insertion and retrieve. It's all about working with byte array and character array. Okay, now let me upload the notes. Where is this? Oh, it's 11 a.m.? No, 5:30 p.m. Okay, here what? Spring Boot data JPA. Right click, file upload. Okay, tell me here. 1103 na something else. 515. Spring Boot data JPA. Where is this? 515. Spring Boot data JPA. Where is this? Working with date and time values. What values? 14. Where is 14, guys? This one. Yeah. Thank you. We'll discuss more on other features when we meet in next class, like association mapping is there. How to call PLC equal